UTL Solar, India's most preferred solar inverter brand. Hello everyone. We would like to introduce UTL Solar, a brand of Fujiyama Power Systems Private Limited. Established in year 1996 by two proficient engineers, Mr. Yogesh Dua, Joint Managing Director, and Mr. Pawan Garg, Joint Managing Director. About UTL Solar. UTL is having manpower of 1000 plus professionals. UTL has employed a super premium R&D team of 60 plus engineers whose innovation has made a breakthrough progress in the power backup and renewable energy products. UTL has expanded its business through its 10,000 plus dealers network in Pan India. UTL has an annual turnover of 2 billion. UTL have a clear vision to expand its reachability globally in the field of power electronics. UTL's mission is to develop world-class products and to provide excellent service to our customers worldwide. Some remarkable milestones covered by UTL. First Indian SMT inverter in year 2000. First Indian single card inverter solution. First Indian sine wave inverter with built-in stabilizer. First Indian manufacturer to develop high-frequency online UPS. First Indian PCU that has all parameters customization available on its LCD itself. First Indian UPS in which charger card, inverter card and IGBTs are on single card. Global presence of UTL. Driven by advanced technologies, UTL products have been warmly welcomed by our clients all over the world, which marks the global presence of UTL brand. Currently, we are exporting our innovative products to 25 plus countries like African countries, Gulf countries, Southeast Asia region, Indian subcontinent, and countries like USA and UK as well. Achievements. UTL have been awarded as India's most preferred solar brand by UBM England and awarded as India's largest manufacturer company of solar off-grid inverters. Also awarded as 25th fastest growing electronic manufacturer company by the CEO magazine. Product range. UTL manufactures solar inverters, chargers, online UPS, home UPS, lift UPS, ARD systems, batteries, and other power backup products in the range of 850 VA to 120 kVA. Let us take a tour of our wide range of products. Takniya, a pure sine wave inverter with multicolor LCD display. Settable parameters from its LCD itself like charging current, charging voltage, high cut, low cut, of battery, cutoff, etc. Compatible with diesel generator as a input source. Extensive electronic protection like short circuit, lightning protection, thunder protection. Heliac, a pure sine wave solar home inverter with inbuilt solar charge controller, having smart interface between inverter and solar charger, customizable parameters with multicolor LCD display, compatible with computer and IT load. Gamma Plus, a pure sine wave solar home PCU with heavy-duty MPPT solar charge controller, which can provide backup of 2 batteries by using only one battery. Auto selection of frequency 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Priority selection like PCU mode, smart mode, hybrid mode to save electricity and money. MPPT solar charge controllers. Advanced MPPT solar charging technology, smart interface between inverter, solar charger and battery, extensive electronic protection like short circuit, lightning protection, thunder protection. MPPT solar charge controllers are available up to 360 volts to 60 amperes. Online UPS. Online UPS with DSP based design with zero changeover time. Inbuilt isolation transformer. High efficiency and high reliability. Customizable parameters from its LCD itself. Lift UPS and ARD. UTL has designed Lift UPS and ARD, also known as automatic rescue device, specifically for lifts and elevators. Variable changeover time from 0 to 30 milliseconds. Less maintenance required and eco-friendly. Load sensitive UPS with smart control with lifts and elevators. Some of our prestigious clients are Airtel, PVR, Bharat Petroleum, Indian Oil, Air India, Johnson & Johnson, Acer, Videocon, State Bank of India, Global IM Bank, Indian Railways, LIC India, Indian Army, Hindustan Petroleum, Wipro, KFC. Why you should choose UTL? India's most preferred trustable brand with high reliability, eco-friendly and user-friendly. One-stop solution for all your power backup needs. Vast range of different products, models from the range of 850 VA to 120 kVA. Customer satisfaction before sale and after sale. This is just a review of our company and products. We hope that you liked our products range. So, UTL is one-stop solution for all your power backup and solar solution requirements. For further details and queries, feel free to contact us on. For daily updates and for your valuable feedbacks, please join us on our social media pages. UTL Solar, the power as and when you need it.